glockenspiel from the sky. Hey there, Bunny. He, they. We went to Kings Island today in this thing. I didn't do an intro because I was overwhelmed. I got a new camera, so I was trying that out. There were cicadas there. I went up in the tower. Very cool. Grape. Things got so messed up with the schedule today, but that's like fine because we're here. We got a crossroads in like an hour-ish. Not sure if we're gonna sit here for that whole hour, but we will be here for it, that's for sure. Now I'm gonna smoke for a second. Then we're gonna go back inside and watch country. And the vertigo's really loud. God, is it hot? But it's pretty. Yeah. Heading up to country for real now. Let me on my roots. I showed up in boots and moving your black tie affair. Gargoyle, take the music scene. Have a take the best-selling artist in country music history. Whatever this material that they've been making signs out of that's so glittery in the wind, I adore it. I would love that forever. Also, totally forgot about the new structure over there. Love that. I'm gonna sit in the gardens, or maybe over there. I could go sit over at the new fucking, yeah. I found me a mime. A Matt the Mime, if you will. A party all around the tower type guy. And a river city. Yeah, I'm happy.
A teardrop in my eye, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country road.
This new seating area is great. Got grades, you know. It's also got Jenga. There's a big Jenga over there. I don't have anyone to play with, but I like Jenga. Yeah, I'm enjoying this place. I have not yet laid on the ground on the AstroTurf, but I will.
She don't know if I know she's been early. I bet she got me for but I don't want her. Not that she's lying, but she can have me.
Less than 10 minutes till we get hot. Let's go.
Put your hands up, I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Make my this for a while now. Make my this so good. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Before the mental charge.
I don't think I even said anything. We watched Hot Rhythm. It was very, very good. I'm so hot. Hot, if you will. It's fine. I mean, I'm fine. The show's good. It's really hot and I don't feel good. Might leave, honestly. As you can see, we are, yeah, we are out here. I need a better park sketchbook. I'm living La Vida Loca, baby.
Every day is sunshine. Alright, here we go.
It's like half raining. And I'm kind of loving it, actually. Thank God. Yeah. Hell yeah. Whoa. It's so pretty today. Anyway, I think I might go up. I haven't been up in the tower, I think, since 2019, man. I might do it. Dear, I'm up here. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Glockenspiel from the sky. I need everyone to know that I thought this was a great idea when I was down there, and then in the elevator, I remembered Final Destination Bloodlines. Adventure Port is so pretty. Oh, this is so fun. This is so fun. Why did I stop doing this? This is so fun. Look at all the lights. The lights in the trees and the lights over there. And the grapes. Grapes.
I'm gonna die in the elevator earlier.
Did everyone enjoy the view? Does anyone have any questions?
The Trailblazer set is up because we're, I don't know, like a week or something away from it opening. Heck yeah. I went up there. I think that genuinely messed with the like air pressure in my brain. Not the air pressure, I don't know. I'm dying. Exactly. Perfect. Bell being right above it is also, yeah. It fits. Oh my God, the Bell shirt. I forgot about the Bell shirt. I love the Bell. Bell. I love her. I never did a fit check. Here's a fit check. That's Snoopy. You can't tell, but I'm yearning. I'm yearning for Parpaid. I'm yearning. I'm yearning. Yearning. It's firework time. I'm literally so tired. Something about the tower took me TF out. It was the pressure, man.
Down a wildwood track, the roar of the beast keeps pulling us back. And she calling time and again, wishing these days never came to an end. It's more than a place, it's more than a name. It's a feeling inside that will.
How'd we like it? How are we feeling? I wanted to show you the shirt I got. I got the Belle shirt. I love Belle. I think she is... I love Belle. I think she is kind of a queen. She's a queen in my house. I've been wanting more Belle merch for like years now, and there was so much of it. I was overwhelmed. But of course, yeah, ended up getting the shirt. That's all though for now. Take care of yourselves. I love you. Bye. Inhale the fog like drugs. Inhale the fog like drugs.